Hey y'all, welcome back to Sin City Review. Well, I just finished up this Glock 19, did the slide in OD green Cerakote. Other than that, it's pretty factory. The customer didn't want a lot of stuff done on it, so did the slide custom in the OD green Cerakote, and that's it. The light I put on there just to change up the video a little bit. You guys see a lot of guns, not so many of them with lights on them, so I had it, just decided to put it on there. I'll take it off in a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at it though. I think it turned out pretty well. The OD green with black just looks sweet. Doesn't get much better than that. Okay, change the lighting source real quick here. Go ahead and take this light off it now. Yep, there you go. Glock 19 Gen 4. OD green Cerakote. Pretty awesome. Simple, but sometimes the most simple things are the best. I'd say this is a nice example of that. Get some better light on here again. A little bit brighter. There we go. Anyways, as usual, any comments, concerns, questions, leave them. I'll answer accordingly. All in all, I think it turned out really well. Very pleased with it. Got some more videos coming up. I have about 6 guns I'm working on right now, so anyways, until we meet again.